going to show you how you can make your own peanut carob slice dessert. Now, if you're a bit of a sweet tooth, I think you'll like this dessert. The one thing about it is that it has no refined sugar. Your dates in this recipe is what makes it naturally sweet. So, we'll start by adding our ingredients. It's one of those one-pot wonders where you just add everything all together in your food processor. It's as simple as that. So first up, we'll add our oats. Now I'm using whole grain oats. And then we'll add 1.5 cups of coconuts. Then the recipe calls for 2 cups of dates. Okay, that's what's going to give the sweetness. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now you can use any sweetener if you like. You can use agave or brown rice syrup. Today I'm using honey for this recipe. Next we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Next we'll be adding our smooth peanut butter. You could use crunchy peanut butter. It really is personal preference. All right. And next we're just going to pop the lid on and whiz it all up, and we're ready to go. Now once your mixture is mixed through, we're just going to add our 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Just pop the lid back on. Now you really want to make sure that it's nice and smooth, that the dates aren't too chunky. So just blend it a little bit longer if need be. Okay, so we'll just take a little look. And that looks just about right. So you can see it's nicely blended up. Okay. So we'll just put this to the side. And we're just going to now add our mixture to our bowl next. All right. Now you might want to just take the blade off on your food processor, just so it doesn't fall out onto your bowl. And just scoop it all out, just like that. Now you don't need to grease your bowl because you do have coconut oil in here already. So now what you're going to do is just spread the mixture out. You really want to make sure that you press it down nice and firmly, because this is going to be the base to our carob slice. And you just want to make sure it's nice and even as well. So there you go, you can see it's starting to look nice and smooth. Okay. Now that we've flattened our peanut mixture, we're now going to place it in the freezer and let it freeze for a couple of hours, and then we're going to make our carob sauce to go on top. Next we're going to make our carob sauce to go on top of our peanut carob slice. Really easy to do. So all I've done is put some boiling water in a pot, and I've just placed a bowl over the top because we don't want to boil the sauce. We just want to melt the coconut oil. So first up, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And next we're going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. You can use agave or other sweeteners as well, brown rice syrup, whatever you like. Okay, and what you want to do is just give it a really, really good stir. When your coconut oil has melted completely and your sweetener has been mixed relatively well, we're next going to add 2 tablespoons of carob powder. Now you want to be relatively quick in mixing this together because it can quite easily go a little bit lumpy and it can start to split the mixture. So we'll just give it a good stir now. Now carob powder has many, many health benefits. It's a wonderful substitute for cocoa powder. and it's naturally sweet as well, and it doesn't have any stimulants in it. It doesn't have caffeine or theobromine or any of those things. It's really good for you, high in calcium and lots of other minerals as well. All right, as you can see, our mixture's pretty much stirred through. Just got our peanut carob slice out of the freezer. And next we're going to add our sauce to our slice next. Okay, so you just want to pour it all over your mixture and make sure that you don't take too long to do so, otherwise your topping will split. Okay, so just quickly spread it all out like so. Okay, so what you're going to do next is just pop it back into the freezer again until the chocolate on top has set, and then once it's set nicely you can pull it out and decorate it with a bit of coconut as well. And there you have your peanut carob slice. It's delicious, no refined sugar, and the whole family will enjoy it.